All right, so Jenny had $115 to begin with. She just spent B dollars. She had $115 to begin with. She just spent B dollars. Using expression, using B, write an expression for the number of dollars she has left. Well, let's think about it like this. If she had 115 and she spent $10, she would have $105 left. You just subtract the 10. Well, we don't know what she spent, but she spent B dollars. So it's the same principal operation. It's 115 minus B. Lucy has B decks. Each deck has 52 cards in it, okay? Using B, write an expression for the total number of cards Lucy has. Well, think about it like this. If she has one deck, she's got 52 cards. If she has two decks, she has 104 cards. Three decks, 156 cards. You can kind of follow that rationale. Each time we're adding 52. So if you think about it, if this is one deck, this is two decks, this is three decks, what am I really doing? Here, this is 3 times 52. What is this? This is 2 times 52. What is 2 and 3? That's the number of decks. Since we have B decks, B is my number of decks, the total number of cards would be B times 52, or B parenthesis 52. B times 52. Last year there were 222 pies baked for the bake sale. This year there were N pies baked. Using N, write an expression for the total number of pies baked in the 2 years. So last year's plus this year's. Well, how many did she bake this year? N. So it's 222 plus N. All right.